Watch me levitate. Kill my vibe, no, there's no way. I'm flying high above your gravity.
Present day at the Jeon house, Mrs. Kim smiling. Day, we like Jungkook. Grandma. After all, he is my choice. Fake smile. Jungkook, I told you my grandson is handsome. Wink. Jungkook shocked. Huh? What are? Grandma. I also remember how much badly you. Tay surprised. He was really blushing? Namjoon. Grandma, when you meet with Jungkook and when did this happen? Grandma sweating. It's my and Jungkook's secret, right Jungkook? Winked. Jungkook embarrassed. Yeah. Grandma. Look. Come Jungkook, I want to talk to you something. Jackson. Jungkook, you love Taeyong from when? Mr. Jeon thinking. Jungkook was sad yesterday night just because Tae in his heart, but he never tell us. Jin. No, Appa, it's not. Mr. Kim. Don't be angry on Jungkook. I don't know when Amma did this. He was finding someone for Tae. Tae in mind. Jungkook. Is he really know me? But that day his phone is under the table. He is showing Tae his index finger which pointing upwards towards the snack which is on the table. Tae holds some snacks and give them to Hoon who already opened his both hands. Tae hold him from under the table and put him on the couch. Jisoo, Hoon, why are you eating snacks? It's not Tae. At the terrace, Jungkook shocked. What? Grandma. Oh my soon-to-be son, save your soon-to-be grandma. I would not force you, Jungkook. It's your life. If you want to say no, say that, but don't tell anyone. Jungkook. It's mean. They are still on their way. Grandma nodded hesitantly. After 15 minutes later in the living room, Jin. Hoon, bad manners. Give auntie back to him. Tae. Is he finding something? Hoon, tear up. My candy. Jackson. Is not your stomach full yet? Hoon nodded as no. Check my pocket. Hoon. Tae. Why does not you tell grandma about Hoon? Look, we come here empty hands. Jungkook. Low voice. Don't know how I forget. Grandma in mind. I'm safe. Tae. Are you still upset? Jungkook looking down. No, I am not. Tae stood up from the couch and placed his. Both family has eye on Taekook and Jungkook finding place to hide his burning face. Jungkook looking at bouquet. It's beautiful. Thank you. Tae politely asked. Where is your room? Jungkook shrugged. Room? Tae ruffles Jungkook's hair slightly. Don't you want to talk with me? Namjoon. Taeyong, go upstairs and take lap. At Jungkook room, Tae looking with the beautiful. At the living room, Mr. Choi. What are you saying? I don't know them. I told you I am coming with my friend and his family. Mr. Jeon, they are not them, pointing out Kim family. Mr. Choi, of course not. Young family came inside. Here they are. How can you embarrass me in front of them? Grandma stood up. It's my mistake, Mr. Kim shocked. Oma. Young. But what about Jungkook decision? For rich people, someone consent not even matter for them. Mr. Kim. Think before speaking. Mrs. Kim. We will respect Jungkook decision. Mr. Young. Oh please. Namjoon, stop it. Uncle, please. You cannot talk with our guest like this. Mr. Young. Seriously, we are not your guest. Jackson. Uncle, you are taking it wrong. Mr. Young. Where is Jungkook? Mr. Kim angry. You cannot rule on someone. Mr. Jeon. Your friend's choice is too bad. Mr. Choi. Excuse me, Mr. Jin. Jungkook is talking with Taeyong. Let him talk first. By the way, did not you introduce to your family with us? Mr. Yoon. I will introduce later. This family is totally strange. And you all send your son with stranger to talk? Grandma rolled eyes. So, who know about your family here? Senseless man. You old lady. Jackson. Sir, mind your words. Mr. Kim losing his patience. Hasok. Mr. Jung Hasok. Hasok flinched. Sir. Hasok eyes are swollen too badly. He promised someone that he will always be with him. He will never leave his side. He will marry him. And he is all promise on the stage of broken up. Because his parents using the weapon of their life. He lifeless standing here without knowing who are standing here. Jin in mind. Hasok. He shocked. Mr. Yoon. How do you know my son's name? Mr. Kim. Ignore Mr. Yoon. You are that much excited for your marriage proposal that you did not even know about my presence. Hasok. Go. I was lost somewhere. I apologize. Mr. Kim. No need. Mr. Yoon. Who is he? Hasok. CEO of the Kim company. Mr. Yoon. Panic. You? Yes, sir. Hasok smiling. Uncle, your son is in the right hand. I am happy for Jungkook. He is really deserving a man like Taeyong, sir. Saying no to someone, you unknowingly break someone's heart. But it's hard when you find out someone is hurt because of you. Sok is also not happy for breaking Jungkook's heart. Jin. Of course Jungkook deserving the best person. He is too precious. Mr. Choi. I did my work. Rest of you will handle. Mr. Choi left. Mr. Yoon. Sir, will you? Mr. Kim. No doubt if you were in the Hasok position, you must lost your job. Jackson. Baby, come up, I need you. Hoon come out from his room. Go and call your Jungkook uncle. Hoon left. Hasok. Amma appa, let's go from here. Mr. Yoon. At Jungkook room, Jungkook opened the door and come inside hurriedly. Tae. Can I know why you locked me here? Jungkook come towards Tae and give him an unexpected hug. Jungkook. Yoon. Tae slowly wrapped his arms around Jungkook's waist, but his arms not touching with Jungkook's waist. I was taking some time. Jungkook tear up. Let's get married, Hoon. Tae surprised. What? Pulled himself from her. But Jungkook, I doesn't said anything. You assumed everything by yourself. Tae. But your eyes telling something else. Jungkook wiped his tears. I think I am lucky. He is happy a little, at least he know everything about Hasok and Kai. Otherwise he must unknowingly finish their relation. I will let you to take step towards me. Tae placed a kiss on Jungkook's forehead as a thanks for believing him. Tae. You know, for the first time I liked my grandma choice. Jungkook looks down knowing that it is not reality. Door open and Hoon come inside. Hoon. Jungkook. Appa. Pointing out towards the door. Jungkook smiling. Your Appa calling me? Hoon nodded. Tae. Hoon. He hold him who got the opportunity. Tae whispered. Want chocolate? Hoon sparkle eyes. I want. Tae whispered. How much? Hoon opened his arms wide as much as he can. Tae laughing silently. In the living room, Jungkook ignored Hasok like he doesn't even exist. But Hasok's swollen eyes catch his attention, who looks too happy while looking at Taekook's intertwined hands. Hasok in mind. Look Jungkook, you got the man which is better than me. Tae smiling. Mr. Yoon, don't tell me you are here with today's schedule. Hasok. No sir, I am not. Tae nodded with a small smile. Mrs. Jeon, Jungkook, looking their intertwined hand. Are you? Jungkook. Appa, you told me to do the fair decision. I did. It's yes from my side. Grandma screamed in happiness. He doesn't care about his choice. For whom he choose for tea? Mr. Kim, tea. They nodded with a smile and in next second take a mouth filled with sweets. Jackson, Jungkook, you are no more single. Hasok hugged Tae. Congratulations, sir. Tae mumbles thanks with his shy smile. Jungkook, don't play with Kai. Jungkook left towards Mrs. Kim, who's calling him. Mr. Yoon, in mind, greedy peoples. Hasok and his family left. His father doesn't said anything to Taeyong because he cannot take the risk with Hasok's job. Grandma excited. Jungkook, did my grandson stolen your heart? Jungkook looked towards Tae. Young is a nice person, smiling. Grandma, you can call him honey. Jungkook, shocked. What? Mr. Kim, so should we fix the day? Mr. Jion, of course, Grandma. I wait for this day a lot. Can we fix the next week? Jion family smile fade away. How will they manage this expensive marriage? Mr. Jion, actually Tae, Uncle, your son is too expensive for us. Give us chance to take care of your family. Hug him. Namjoon, Tae, what are you saying we can? Grandma, will you say no to your future son-in-law? Mr. Jion, of course not, but it's Mr. Kim smiling. Don't be worried about marriage budget. We will manage everything. Driver come. Hoon placed a kiss on Tae's right cheek. Who put him down and Hoon ran towards the chocolate box. Jisoo shocked. Tae, don't you think it's too much chocolate? Tae smiling. Hoon will do 2 times brush, right Hoon? Hoon nodded without looking back. He is struggling to picking up chocolate's box. Jungkook left to help him. Namjoon, Taeyong, hug him. Never thought such big peoples will come to our small house with marriage proposal. Tae smiling. Why are you comparing? Is not we are family? Namjoon, Jungkook is lucky I guess. Grandma, it's because of me. This house come in my dream, so I think I should not be visit here. Jackson looking towards Grandma shockingly who's speaking too much lie. Tae come towards Jungkook who's coming out from the home room. Tae hesitantly asked, can we exchange numbers? They feel movement on his legs, finding Hyun who is pulling Tae's man. They kneel down, matching his level. Tae, what happened? Hyun gave him his Omma's phone to Tae. He want his number. You want my number? Hyun nodded and Tae saved his number. Hyun called, pointing out towards Tae. Time skip. Jungkook came inside in his room and threw himself on the bed. He closed his eyes and tears followed from his eyes. And that's when Jin came inside and he locked the door. Jin worried. Jungkook hugged Jin tightly and let his tear fall. Jungkook. Jin Hyun, for taking right decision, I just think about myself. What about him? I'm not good enough. Jin, did you even look his bright smile? He's too happy, Jungkook. Don't think only you were the one who have to take the decision. It's for Taeyong too. Damn, Jungkook, have not you watched his blushed face? Jungkook, I am deserving him. Jin cupped his face. This is something to ask. Jin wiped Jungkook's tears and he heard Jungkook's phone ringing sound. Jungkook, Taehyung, looking on screen. Jin, talk with him. Jungkook nodded and Jin left. Jungkook, take a long breath. Hello, Tae. I will pick you from college this Friday. Jungkook, I will come. Tae, I want to give you some of my time. Jungkook doesn't realize when his lips take a curve of smile. Jungkook said okay with his tiny voice.